This question: a racing car has a uniform acceleration of 5 meter per second square. What distance will it cover in 20 seconds after starting from rest? A racing car has a uniform acceleration of 5 meter per second square, means acceleration is given 5 meter per second square. What distance will it cover in 20 seconds? Time is given starting from rest. So initial velocity u is equals to 0 is given, as because starting from rest. So time is given. So they have asked the distance, means here displacement s. So you can use the formula s is equals to ut plus half at square, because acceleration is given, time is given, u is given. Right or wrong? U is t is given, u is given, time is given. So acceleration a is given. So you can simply use it. This is the way to do the sums. No need to see also. Yes, they have done that already. Yeah? Understood? Easy. Brakes applied to a car produce a uniform retardation of this. When brakes are applied to a car, final velocity is 0. Brakes applied to a car produce a uniform retardation of, so retardation acceleration is equals to minus 0.9. Yes or no? So that only they have written. So final velocity they have taken 0. If the car was traveling with a velocity of 27 meter per second, that means initial velocity 27 meter per second, they have taken it. What distance will it cover? So you can use v square minus u square equals to 2as. You will tell, sir, I can use s equals to ut plus half at square also, but they have not given time in this. Have they given? So you cannot use this equation. V square minus u square equals to 2as only have to use. So v is given, as because brake is applied, v is 0, acceleration is minus 0.9, and initial velocity is given 27. So you can use that and find out, as easy as that. Question number 26. Find the initial velocity of a car that is stopped in 10 seconds by applying brakes. Find the initial velocity of a car that is stopped in 10 seconds. Initial velocity of a car means initial velocity u is, they have to ask. Find the initial velocity of a car that is stopped in 10 seconds. Okay, time is equals to 10 seconds by applying brakes. So velocity, final velocity v will be 0. Retardation is given. So retardation a is equals to minus. So minus this is given. So v equals to u plus at you can use simply. Simply v equals to, because u is not asked, t is given, v is given, and a is given. So v equals to u plus at. Yes or no? As simple as that. Is there any problem in this? There shouldn't be. 27 number question. A body undergoes an acceleration of 10 meter per second. Okay, acceleration is given 10 meter per second. Starting from the rest. So if it is starting from the rest, initial velocity should be always 0. Find the distance traveled in 5 seconds. S is equals to ut plus half at square. Because they have asked to find out the distance, which is s, means displacement. Time is given. So s equals to ut plus half at square. Why I am saying? Because time is given, initial velocity is 0, and acceleration is given. Simple sum. Okay, so next sum. A bullet is fired in a wall with a velocity of 100 meter per second. A bullet is fired in a wall with a velocity of 100 meter per second. Can you tell this is initial velocity or final velocity? A bullet is fired in a wall with a velocity of 100 meter per second. This is initial velocity or final velocity? Initial. Bullet is fired when it is entering inside. Right or wrong? It is entering with that velocity. If the bullet stops at the depth of 10 centimeter inside the wall, you have to convert the centimeter into meter, okay? Because velocity is given in meter per second. So 10 centimeter means 10 by 100 meter. So 0.1 meter. So that they have done, I think. Huh? So anyway, can you tell what is the final velocity? How can you tell final velocity is 0? Because the bullet stops, yes. As because the bullet stops, that's why the final velocity will be 0. So you have final velocity v, initial velocity u, displacement s is equals to 0.1. They have asked the retardation. So you can use v square minus u square equals to 2as. you always have to notice that what are the things that is given to you. According to that, you have three formula. A is equals to ut plus half at square, v square minus c square equals to 2as, and v equals to u plus at. So here v is given, u is given, a is given, s is given, and acceleration or retardation is asked. Time is not given. So you have to use this one. There is no other option. Can you use a is equals to ut plus half at square? No. Time is not given. Can you use v equals to a plus u plus at? No. Time is not given. In this one, could you use v square minus u square equals to 2as? Because you could not, because v was not given, final velocity was not given here. So you couldn't use. So you always have to notice in the question what is given and which equation should you use. Other all information you have, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
29. A bus starting from rest. Starting from rest means initial velocity. So initial velocity is given. U is given, right? Which is 0. Moves with a uniform acceleration. A is given. 0.1. For 2 minutes. Time is also given. 2 minutes means 120 seconds, right? Find the speed acquired. Final velocity पूछा है तो v equals to u plus at करने से आ जाएगा. Right or wrong? The distance traveled s equals to ut plus half at square करने से आ जाएगा. Time is given in the given period of time. तो वही क्या होगा देखो. ओ v square minus u square equals to 2as किया है. कोई बात नहीं, टाइम तो दिया हुआ था, यूज़ कर भी सकता था. s equals to ut भी यूज़ कर सकता था. ये भी क्योंकि फाइनल वेलोसिटी तो निकाला हुआ है तो v पहले निकालोगे फाइनल वेलोसिटी v square minus u square equals to 2as भी यूज़ कर सकते हो. I hope that you have understood this. Are you understanding? It's just about how cleverly you use the equations. Now you have to do certain sums. Okay. First of all, those who are doing in the internet, they have not done question number 24, question number 25, and question number 26. And those who are doing now, they are in my house. They have done up to 26. They have done up to 27. They will do from 28, 29. They will have to do 30. Okay, a train is traveling at a speed of 90 km per hour. This is initial velocity always. The brakes are applied so as to produce an acceleration of this. If brakes are applied, find how far does it go before it is brought to rest. अरे ब्रेक अप्लाई किया तो फाइनल वेलोसिटी क्या है? फाइनल वेलोसिटी 0 दिया है. इनिशियल वेलोसिटी 90 किलोमीटर पर आवर को 90 इंटू 5/18 मीटर पर सेकेंड कर लिया. एक्सेलरेशन दिया हुआ है, मतलब रिटार्डेशन. तो v स्क्वायर माइनस यू स्क्वायर और डिस्टेंस पूछा है तो v u और s लेके क्या है? v स्क्वायर माइनस यू स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 2as. टाइम वाला इक्वेशन यूज़ नहीं कर सकते. सेम टाइप ऑफ सम है सारा. सो 30 करना पड़ेगा, 31 भी करना पड़ेगा. A trolley while going down on an inclined plane has an acceleration of this. What will be the velocity after 3 seconds? Easy है. v equals to u plus at. देख लो थोड़ा सा, मैं पिक्चर तो भेज ही दूंगा, ठीक है? आप लोग भी देख के थोड़ा ट्राई करो. So you do up to question number 32. Then 33, from 33 I will explain again. So those up to this much you do. So those who are doing online, they have to do starting from question number 24. Starting from question number 24, they have to do up to question number 32. I am sending the picture. And those who are doing now, they will do from 28 to 32, 4 sums.